Hello everybody! Welcome back to another AP Connect video series. My name is Mr. Nicholas Lang, and today we'll be going over our AP Calculus BC videos. In these videos, we will be going over a full comprehensive test review. Every single question in order with tips, tricks, solutions, and anything else that you may need to succeed on your calculus test. Now, as we go through this together, we are going to find that the calculus test is split into several different sections. We have the broad sections, Section A and Section B. Section A, 1 hour and 45 minutes long, is your multiple choice section. Section B will be your free response section. Each section on your calculus exam is split into two separate parts. They are split by calculator versus no calculator. For your multiple choice, the first section will be your no calculator section. Following that, you will have a separate timed part where you will undergo your calculator section. The free response section will start with a calculator section and then end with a no calculator section. The concept here is that the College Board would like you to take out your calculator in the middle of the test for the second multiple choice and then the first free response sections, and then put it away afterwards. Each of these sections comes with its own tips, tricks, and strategies, so we'll be sure to talk about everything that we possibly can. A very recent update to the calculus test includes that the multiple choice sections, Part 1 and Part 2, are split into 30 and 15 questions each. This change happened around 2022. For our purposes, our video here today will go over a 28 and 17 question split for the two sections. A very minor 2-question difference, but as you go to your official exam day, keep in mind that there will be 2 more no calculator questions and 2 fewer calculator questions for the multiple choice section. That you are bubbling in your answers completely, that you are not leaving any marks over too far off the edge of the bubble, that you are shading through the middle, and of course, feel free to use the test as scrap paper. Especially for a subject like calculus, we need to walk through a lot of work. It doesn't have to be incredibly formal for the multiple choice section, since all that matters is what you bubble, but especially for the free response, we want to make sure that we're being clear, concise, and neat enough that your graders can read. Here, of course, at the beginning of every AP exam, you will find a brief instruction set on how to bubble and the conditions for appropriately doing so. Most of it will be things that you will assume to be true already, but the first time you look at any one of these tests, give it a read over, even if that's right now pausing your screen, skip it every other time. The instructions will be exactly the same for every AP exam you take.